many of you believe we serve a God of restoration?
Oh yes, Jesus.
If you believe that, I want to say, wash me off that day. Yes, yes, come make we sing again now. Wash where the evil them from around me. Wash where anything them send come fi hurt me. Right now, me want to send down the rain. Wash where disappointment, wash where the pain. Me want to think clearly, wash out me brain. Ain't a my life, Papa send down your rains. Let me sing again. Open the floodgates of to release the curse. Make all of my friends them start go to church. Teach all of them just to seek you first. Make them understand that you love them the most. See down in the ghetto too much gunshot a burst. Things already mucking, no want it get worse. No want see no more of them in and no earth. Anything them send come make it reverse. Let me sing again. When you tell Noah, build that ark, make the wicked get swallowed. Too much wickedness all a go on this earth, yeah. War plus war, not to mention the murders. Righteousness slowly getting unpopular. Man worship themselves, now give you no honor. Boss it, set it, boss it, set it, boss it, boss it, open, make the whole of them get shower.